Welcome to Maita's Platter. Today I am making a sandwich out of corn and paneer.
And to prepare this sandwich, there are multiple ingredients, and here are the same.
So let us prepare the sandwich. First, for this we need hung curd. Spread a thin cloth over a bowl and pour the curd. For this we are using 1 liter curd. It should not be sour and it should be fresh also. The water from the curd will start coming out, and now we will squeeze out the water completely.
So mom, in case if we do not have hung curd, can we use any other ingredient?
No, hung curd is a must.
Okay.
This water is very healthy, so you can use it for preparing curry or soup. This is the hung curd out of 1 liter curd. I have taken 100 grams of spinach and cut it into big pieces. Take a medium sized garlic and cut it like this. And cook it like this.
Any specific reason that we're cooking it like this?
To get a smoked taste, this is the way it should be done.
Okay.
And after this, we'll make a fine paste of this. Here I have taken 200 grams of paneer. Cut it into small cubes.
So in place of paneer, can we use any other item?
Yes, you can use chicken chunks also after cooking.
Alright.
Now we will take the chopped palak and salt it in butter.
So I see the palak is ready. So what's next?
Next is corn. We have to salt the corn in butter. Add salt as per taste. Garlic paste. Mix it well with the corn. We will add the sorted palak into the pan and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of powdered thyme. One to 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. Add butter and add the paneer cubes. Salt it till it becomes slightly brownish. It should not become very hard, and salt it very gently in low flame. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Add salt as per taste. Now all the ingredients are ready. We'll mix all the ingredients. At this point of time, you can add extra red chili flakes, salt and pepper powder as per your taste. Now the mixture is ready. Take a slice of bread and spread the mixture on the bread slice. Apply butter on one side of the bread and place it over like this. Now we will toast the sandwich till it is golden brown.
For the quantity of filling prepared, we were able to make 5 sandwiches out of 10 slices of bread. Do ensure that you are generous with the filling so that when you bite into the sandwich, you feel the crunchiness of the toast and at the same time the softness of the hung curd, the paneer, and the various textures of the palak and corn. If you love sandwiches, this is definitely a must try. It can be served for breakfast or an evening snack as well.
Happy Deepavali.
We hope you enjoyed the video today. And to meet us again, do subscribe. Thank you for watching.